are creating a matrix here, which is a plant-based matrix, but we are ordering the fibers as if they were muscular fibers. So we are micro-extruding these filaments so that the plant-based stick has at the same time the appearance and the texture of an actual beef stick. Next step is to work with Top Chef to create new products which can be plant-based, for example pork, for example imagine a bacon, or plant-based fish. We are trying to do the most complex ones, and we are studying for example salmon.